to my YouTube channel. It's Alancha Cases if you didn't know. Today we're not in our normal setting. We're not. I'm not sitting. I'm up. I'm standing. Today she's gonna be busy. She's gonna be doing the things that need to be done. So she decided to be nice and take you guys with. So it's a vlog for today. So if you'd like to see what I get up to on a basic Saturday, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float.
Okay, so if you're wondering, that was the Jingle Magic face mask, and I got this little headband. It's for when you do skincare, makeup, and just look cute. I got it at Pep. I'm done applying my mask. Now I have to wait 30 seconds for it to dry and then I'll wash it off. This is me looking cute with a face mask, waiting for it to dry. And did you guys see the growth there by the hair? Okay, obviously not, but I'm telling you, my hair grew. Okay, that's about 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna wash my face. Now that my face mask is all dried up, I'm going to wash it. I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna wash it with mildly hot water and my face.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
Now we're gonna use rooibos toner on my face, and then we're gonna tone it. Obviously now with a sponge mask now, because how you could lose your hands.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are. It's been way too long.
So I'm done toning my face, category skin. We're glowing inside the bottom.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
Hi guys, it's way later in the day. I know I'm wearing pajamas, but that's not the case. I'm making this video to let you guys know that I'll be making dinner, so you're going to cook with me.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Okay guys, so we're done having dinner, so now I'm just gonna cut a cake for us and then we're gonna go watch Netflix and relax because the day was hectic. So I think I'll close off the vlog or the attempted vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching this far. If you've made it this far, thank you for clicking on the video and thank you for just being a part of this.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.